Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
I've got about 5 to 6 cans of expanding foam in there. I've got 9 layers of 90 mil on there.
Okay. Wow. A lot of cabin work.
Yo,
Nice. Did you do any kind of box depth testing here
I did.
to see the difference?
It's done best where it's at. I've gotten it closer. It peaks a lot higher when I move it closer, but it seems to like it where it's at.
Okay.
This is actually ran to my rear AC in the floor back there. So if I do run hot, I just turn on my floor AC, hit the fan, and it cools it.
Nice. Wow. That's pretty cool.
That's an STK enclosure.
Okay, good.
And everything on here is good.
Wow. Filled in everything.
Yeah.
That helps the SPL for sure.
Where we sit riding, swinging.
Hey, how you doing, man?
What's up, man? It's been a minute.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Well, this is all a lot of work. Looks good, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yep. Could you tell me your name? What's in here, man?
Kyle Davis, Team Blurred Vision. I got 2 UV2s on an AK at 1 ohm right now on a 45 amp hour C-Max. I got a 250 single alt. Got dual runs, power ground, sky high all the way around. Got 6.5 inch Sound Cube Pros in the door, 3.5 inch full range ZXIs in the dash.
Wow. Yeah, a lot of dynamite in here, all around the whole cabin.
Yep, the whole trunk's done. The roof is 2 inch
Oh, wow.
wood.
Okay.
It's been fill foamed and everything, sealed up.
And the port is a...
So it's a side fire port under the driver panel.
Okay.
It's an 8-inch arrow tuned at 31 hertz. Box is 3.75 cubes after displacements. Peak at 35 hertz. Burps at 51.4 right now. Subs are still brand new too.
Nice. That's pretty good for a trunk. You've done a lot of work to get there, I'm sure.
Yeah, my personal record is a 152.8 with UV1s. That's actually in Bird's car down there.
Okay. Wow. And then what made you do, this is a very dumb question maybe, but what made you do trunk location with the box where it is versus like trunk wall or port location? I mean, have you done a testing on it, or is there a reason?
I've had numerous setups. I've done trunk wall tuned at 29 hertz. It did really great for music, not so much on meter. I'm kind of a mixed breed. I like my meter, but
Yep.
eventually it'll be a wall in here.
Really? Okay.
Yep.
All right. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I would love to hear it.
Just to be with you till sunrise. It's just for you. Got it 'cause I know it's right. Living bad, drinking, spin, plus and on. If you're ever in a wrong, I'll let you know. Yeah. You were sitting at rest. I can't wait. I just need it. I just move my way.
Man, that gets pretty low still. Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem, man. Nice. Good seeing you.
You too, man. Yep. Your name.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.